Video, I will be showing you how to access your topic-wise assessments. Please click on the learning portal and click on any of the assessments. It will take you to the learning management portal here. The first step for you to do is download the OMR sheet. Click on 1.2 and download the OMR sheet. It's a PDF and you need to print it ready for the student or the child to take the topic-wise assessment. Once the test is taken, first I will show you how you should actually take the test. Once you download the OMR, then click on the particular topic that you are registered to. For example, if you're registered to fractions, then click on the topic. You would be given, it's password protected, so you will be given the password to get access to it. After you enter the password, then click on which level your child would like to take the test. And then once you know the level, because as we have mentioned in the description, level 1 is for year 4 or students in year 5 who want to take a test at a comfortable level of difficulty. And level 2 is for medium hard, who want to challenge themselves and have a bit more difficult questions, which is good. So both of them are very well crafted. These questions are good for the children at their own level. You will have access to both of them, so you can click any of the question papers. Once you complete the test, in the OMR sheet, when you do the marking, below this is where you need to upload your answer sheet. You uploading your answer sheet will make it available for us to put it across through our system so that we can provide you with a detailed report of your child's performance, and that will further help you to understand where they need support, which areas do they need support and where they are good at. And make sure that you just don't make them take this test, but please fill their gaps. That's the intention with which HUNARly has started the topic-wise or the mock tests. Make sure the gaps of the child is filled. Okay, so now once you're to upload your sheet, give the name, the level, your email ID, the year group, and this is where you need to upload the answer sheet, the OMR answer sheet, and then click on submit. If you have any comments, please add it here. And I will now be proceeding to the important step about scanning instructions. Please make sure that the scanning instructions are well followed. You have to scan your OMR sheet using the printer scanner, which is within the printer, or you can use any other document scanning app. And while scanning, make sure the page is not tilted in this way. If you provided us in a tilted or in an unnecessary angle, then we would have to request you to resend it. Then the third point here is when you save the file, please make sure that it is full size. Do not keep it like the first option here. Do not put it that way, but put it as save it as a full size. Okay? Do not say adjust or shrink, but it's a full size. Then finally, scan it as a PDF only and make sure that it is 150 to 200 dpi. And you, in your scanning options, you will see the scanning mode. Please keep it as color mode. So this is something what you will be seeing as a very well aligned. You can see the straight line here. The index spots that you're seeing is as well very well aligned. So that's how a normal scan done with proper instructions is. That's how it looks like. So just make sure that everything is aligned well and you send us and upload us the scanned OMR sheet, and we'll come back to with the detailed report. Thank you for listening.